Ford, Ford, should I say Ford, Ford, the car company that's famously known, has rehired human, have recently rehired human engineers to work because AI has failed to match their quality. So most of us used to think like AI was gonna replace us. You see, now the truth is unfolding slowly, and a lot of engineers are worried that their jobs were going to be taken. But now you see what's going on. So let's level up our human skills, because AI at the end of the day, they make a lot of errors and there's no perfect AI at all. So let's not be afraid of AI replacing us, but let's use them as a tool, like like I stated before. Now, because if we entirely depend on AI, we're gonna forget how to reason, and our brain, we're gonna have some decline in our memory capacity. So let's get back to human connection, and I'm really happy to hear such kind of news. Even musician, me as an artist, I used to feel worried that AI is taking over everything, the music industry. But human connection is still more valuable than you think. Even the human music we make is the most beautiful music we would ever want to listen to. So don't be afraid, go out there, showcase your skills.